Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool one right here, and basically what this is a blackout curtains. And for this product, they actually have it in two different colors. So the one that we got right here is a blue one, but they also have one in like gray or silver color. And also for this blackout curtains right here, they actually have in different sizes as well. So if you guys want like a longer one, if you guys want a shorter one, you definitely want to do your own research and measurement to see which one is best for you guys. The one that we got right here is a 2-piece 52 by 63 inches, and this is basically what the design looks like right here. If you flip it to the other side, this is what it looks like on this side. So let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so you guys first get the product and see how it's all nicely folded up right here. And then right here is a piece of paper to show you guys all the information of what is actually included. But definitely see the design on here definitely looks pretty nice. But I'm actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first before we actually put this on. So obviously for this one comes in two different packs like I mentioned. So when you guys open it up, you definitely want to be careful and try not to drop the other one. So when you guys open it up, there's basically like cardboard inside. So you definitely want to remove that first. Once you guys take it out, this is what it looks like right here. So when you guys fully open it up, this is basically what it looks like right here. And like I mentioned, it comes in two packs. So there's two of them right here. But since both of them are the same thing, I'm just taking out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So the design of this product right here definitely looks pretty nice. And when you guys feel the material on here, it feels really nice and really soft as well. So this is basically what it looks like on this side. If you flip it to the other side, this is what it looks like on this side right here. So they still have a little bit of the pattern on top, but the bottom part is all blue. And the actual curtain, if you can see, is pretty long. But see on the top part right here, they have these holes right here. And that is basically where you guys want to put through like the stick or the pole for the curtain rod. You basically want to just slide it into each one of these slots right here. And that way I can actually hold it up. And obviously, like I mentioned, these are blackout curtains. So once you guys hang these up, it should block out the sun and everything from coming in. But you might still see a little bit of sunlight that comes through, but definitely will block a lot of sunlight so it won't fully come in or shine in, which is pretty cool. And the bottom part right here, they do have the option if you guys want to like put a rod or like sticks in the bottom, so that way actually weighs it down. But you don't really need to because the actual curtain itself is very pretty heavy, so actually have enough weight to actually hold it down already. And also for these curtains right here, they're supposed to be thermal regulated as well, and it's also supposed to have like noise reduction as well when you guys actually use it. So you should probably block out some of the noise if you guys are using it to block off like the window or whatever. And obviously when you guys set this up, it'll definitely give you guys the privacy and everything as well. And for these curtains right here, you can definitely store in the machine to wash it and dry it as well. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys open it up. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so once we put it on, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it actually looks really, really nice once you guys set it up. And if you guys want to actually pull it open, you definitely can. So right now I actually have this set up on my backdrop just to show you guys what the product looks like. If you can see, it actually looks really, really nice and it blends so well. The design on here actually looks really nice, and it definitely looks like a high quality premium product as well. Alright, so right here we have the curtain. You guys want to slide it through right here. And just slide it through each one of these holes right here. Once you guys slide it through, you guys can actually hang it onto your window. So I actually set it up to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys set it up, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys want to slide it left and right to open it up, you definitely can. Alright, so if you guys want to slide it open, you guys can see how it works. If you guys want to slide it back, you guys can see how that works really well. So definitely give you guys that full blackout design on here, which is pretty nice. Alright, so we set it up in our other room right here. If you can see, this is basically what the product looks like. This one right here, if you can see, it has a good coverage where it actually goes all the way down and it covers up the whole entire window. But you can see the pattern on here definitely looks pretty nice. And you can see it definitely have a very good coverage when you guys fully expand it. If you guys want to get some sunlight, you can definitely pull it open. But right now, when we actually have it set like this, it definitely gives you guys that full blackout design. Let me actually turn off the light to show you guys what I mean. So you can see when I actually turn off the light, there's literally no light that's coming out from the window other than that gap area in the middle. But if you guys want to seal it up, you definitely can. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys fully set it up. Definitely looks pretty nice. And like I mentioned for the top part, if you guys want to actually slide it open, you definitely can as well. So just like this. So if you guys slide it open, it definitely gives you guys the option to give you guys that sunlight on here. And when you see the sunlight on here is actually pretty strong. So when you guys use the blackout curtain, it literally blocks out everything, which is pretty nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test. I probably definitely see that she does work, and she works quite well. Super easy to install the product. All you need to do is put the rods through each of the holes and just hang it onto your window. But definitely see when we actually set it up, it definitely does work. It definitely blocks out a lot of sunlight compared to like normal curtains. And it's so easy to maintain and wash the product as well. If you guys want to throw in the machine to wash it and dry it, you definitely can. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you're trying to look for a high quality blackout curtain that has a similar design that you guys see right here. If you guys want everything that I show you guys and mentioned on here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.